No, no, no.
Hello. Hello, Lucy.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, who's there? Who's now in? Okay, Kay, there you are. Kay and Lucy.
Teacher.
Wow, what's that?
No, I'm not Kay.
Who are you? Who are you then?
Mihura. E. E. E.
Hello, class. Good evening. Nice to see you again. Okay, where is Princess? Where is Princess? Where is
Teacher, what
Lisa?
animal do you like?
What is it? What is it? Lucy?
What animal do you like?
I like cats. I like cats. Meow,
I like
meow, meow.
capybara.
Oh, capybara.
Capybara.
May I see your capybara? Where?
No. Hey.
Where is your capybara? Wow. Oh, is that a balloon?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's cute.
Ice cream.
Okay, where is Princess and Lisa? Princess.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Hello, Princess. Where is Lisa? Lisa. Hello, Princess. Nice to see you again. I have a fever, class. Not feeling well. I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm a little not feeling well. Yes. How are you today, Princess?
I'm
Hel-
good.
Yes.
Still the milk.
Yes, I'm sick. I have a fever. Yes, since yesterday. Oh. How about you, Lucy? How are you today? I can't hear you, Lucy. What are you saying? Oh, you're dancing? Oh, you're now dancing?
No.
Oh, I thought you're
No.
dancing because you're standing up. Okay, class, I'm sorry because I'm sick. I'm not feeling well. That's why I'm a little sad. But let's try to have a lesson for tonight. Okay, where is Kay? Kay, where are you, Kay? Kay.
Oh,
Oh, there you. Oh, is that Lisa? Oh my God. Oh, that is a Kay sister. Hello, Kay. Hello, Kay sister. Nice to see you again. What are you eating? Wow. Oh, you're eating ice cream? Wow, that's
Ice cream
refreshing.
handmade.
Wow. What's the flavor?
Chocolate.
Wow, chocolate. I love chocolate ice cream. Yes. Oh, where's Lisa?
Win
What
at
happened to
home.
Hello, mommy. Lucy's mommy. Hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, I'm sorry. I have a fever tonight, but it's okay. Okay, Lucy now
Are
and
you very
Princess. Yes, I'm sick, but it's okay. Okay, Kay, let's move on. Let's start to our lesson. Our lesson for today is Fun for Movers, Unit 33, last weekend, last week. Okay, please read aloud, Lucy. Lucy, please read aloud. Lucy.
okay?
Mm-hmm.
Last weekend, last week.
Yes.
bubong.
Okay, princess. I can't hear you, princess. What happened? I can't hear you. Last weekend, last week. Okay, Kay, please read aloud. The lesson for tonight is
Last weekend, last week.
okay, good job, class. Now let's proceed to our vocabulary. Let's learn new words today. Let's have this one. Oh, you know this. You know this, princess.
Fun far.
Okay, is that correct, Kay? It's a fun fair. Okay, repeat after me, Kay. Fun
Fun
fair. Fun fair. Lucy,
Fun
fun
fair.
fair. Fun
Mhm.
fair. Princess,
Fun
fun
fair.
fair. Fun
Fun
fair.
fair.
Good job. Hello, Lisa. Repeat after me, Lisa.
Fun
Fun
fair.
fair.
Fun
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 fair.
fair.
Okay, good job. Next, what we have here, we have, what is this? What is this? Okay, Lucy, this is sports center. Sports center. Okay, repeat after me, Lucy. Sports center.
Sports Center.
Sports
Sports
center.
Center.
Lisa, sports
Sports
center.
Center.
Sports center. Okay,
Sports
sports
Center.
center. Sports
Sports
center.
Center.
Princess, sports
Sports
center.
Center.
Sports
Sports
center.
Center.
Good job. Okay, next, what we have here? Okay, what is this, princess?
Very good.
Okay, this is fantastic. Now repeat
Remember
after me, princess.
Fantastic.
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 Fantastic. Lucy, fantastic.
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 Lisa, fantastic.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Kay, fantastic.
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 Okay, good job. Okay, next. Next word. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, how about Lisa? Princess K, are you ready? Okay, what is this? Lisa.
Is
Whose baby is that? Whose baby is that?
ugly duck.
Okay, the ugly duck. Are you sure? Is that the
No.
answer?
I'd like this.
What is this? Alike, different. Alike, different. What is it? It's a... Okay,
Different.
the answer is different. Correct.
Different.
Repeat after me. Correct. Repeat after me, Lisa. Different.
Different.
Different. Okay, different.
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 Lisa, Lucy,
Different.
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 Princess, different.
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 Yes. Why do we say it is different? Why? Why do you say it's different?
It is the ugly.
Yes, the other duck is different, is ugly. Yes,
It's
good
not
job.
beautiful.
Yes, they're not alike. Okay, next. What is this, Kay? What is this, Kay?
Hey.
What is this, Kay? I need your help. What is this?
See?
This is excited.
Excited.
Is excited? Exciting. Wow, good job, Kay. Maybe you know already our lesson. Okay, repeat after me, Kay.
Exciting.
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 Lisa, exciting.
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 Lucy, exciting.
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 Princess, exciting. Wow, exciting.
Exciting.
Oh, princess, exciting. Oh my God, princess, I can't hear you. What happened, princess? Uh, oh, what happened? You don't have voice. What happened, princess? Oh no. Okay. Next, what is this class? Oh, Lucy, what's this? Don't do this, Lucy, okay? What's this?
No.
Oh my, don't do this, Kate. This is bad. What is this? Princess, don't do this, princess. What is this?
Fight.
Mm-hmm. What's this?
Fight.
Fight? Okay, terrible. Repeat after me, Lucy. Terrible.
Terrible.
Terrible. Lisa, terrible.
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 Princess,
Terrible.
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 Okay, Kay, terrible.
Terrible. Terrible.
Yes, good job, class. Now we know the new words. Why is it terrible? Lisa, why is it terrible? Yes, why? Because mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
because
mm-hmm.
the
Because they're hurting each other. That's terrible.
yeah.
And then they have hurt each other and hurt their feelings. That is
Yeah.
terrible. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, class. Now let's have next section A. Listen and look at the pictures. And what did Mr. Slide take to each place? Okay. Now, class, I will play the audio. Okay, I will choose number 1 is K. Number 2 is Lucy. Number 3 is Lisa. Number 4 is Princess. Okay? Okay, number 1, number 2, Lucy. Number 3, Lisa. Number 4 is Princess. Okay? You can answer while playing the audio for advance.
Yeah.
Okay, the audio starts now. Please listen carefully, class. I will not repeat the audio again. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear, Lisa? No, not clear. I will not play the audio again. That's why you'll need to listen carefully, okay? Oh, you need to listen carefully, Lisa. Okay, go.
33.
You are number 3.
It's random.
Last
I have
weekend.
choose random.
Last week.
What happened?
Mr. Slide is talking to Alice. What did Mr. Slide take to the places?
Hello, Mr. Slide. Did you have a busy day?
Yes, I did, Alice. My Saturdays are always busy. I took lots of things to different places.
Where did you go this morning?
I went to the shoe shop.
Why?
I needed to take some boots back. I bought them last week, but they're too small.
Oh dear.
And then I went to the fun fair.
Did you take your tablet with you?
No, only some crayons. I wanted to draw and colour a picture.
Exciting. What did you do after lunch?
Let me think. Oh yes, I went to the sports centre. The man who works behind the desk wants to buy one of my new paintings.
Wow, that's good.
Yes, I'm very happy about that. And I went to the cinema this afternoon.
To see the film that starts at 4 o'clock?
Yes, that's right. I took a milkshake with me because I get thirsty sometimes.
So do I. What about this evening?
I went to the new car park. It was really cold and I didn't take a sweater with me.
Oh. But why did you go there?
I wanted to try my son's new skateboard.
Brilliant.
Okay, it's done. Okay, who's number one? Number one is E. Correct. Number two, what's the answer?
It's A.
A. Very good.
Yay.
Fun fair. Next. Number three, what is number three is? Cinema. What's the answer, Lisa?
Lecture. Lecture. Lecture the go answer please.
What is that, princess? Okay, go.
Lecture B.
Okay, G. It's letter G. What is letter G? A painting. Next, the last is princess. Where is princess? Come back soon, princess. We need to answer this one. I have a body pain. Princess, you fly. Fly, princess, fly.
You go one
Princess, where are you, princess? You're the only. You're only the last princess. Where are you?
Yes.
Okay, there you are. What is the last part? What letter? Letter? A? Fun fair. Okay, correct. Next is B. B. And the last is D. What is letter D? Skateboard. Okay, good job, class. Next, now let's have section C. Let's talk about last weekend. I will ask you one by one. Okay, please answer one by one. Where were you on Saturday, princess? Were you on Saturday? Okay, last Saturday.
Chia đâu rồi nó có học cái người chơi còn gì?
Okay, Saturday is exciting. Why? My Saturday is exciting because. Okay, what did you do? Where were you? At home. Yes. Okay, next. Lisa, where were you on Saturday?
Gì có?
I go to the shop with mom.
Oh, wow. You went to a shop. You visit a shop with mom. Okay, what is the feeling? What is the feeling? Choose your answer from here. Boring, busy, cool. What is it? Scary, terrible? What is your Saturday, Lisa? Different? Great?
Great.
Okay, my Saturday is great. Next, Lucy, where were you on Saturday?
It's boring.
Why? Why boring? Where were you?
Yeah.
I just stay at home.
A. Fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What is that? Fantastic? Why? Why is it fantastic? It's fantastic because you stay at home. What
Yes.
did you do?
I do
Mm-hmm.
like.
I do my homework,
Yes.
and it was fantastic. Okay, next, Kay. Where were you on Saturday? Where were you on Saturday, Kay?
Nước được không?
Oh my God.
Nhờ đi về đặt còn được không? Nhờ lấy giùm con
Okay.
ly nước. Nói không được thì sao?
Oh my God, I don't have camera.
Vậy
Okay,
thôi.
there. I don't know. Just tell me if I don't have camera. I don't know. I'm sorry. Okay, Kay, where were you on Saturday, Kay? What did you do on Saturday?
Play.
Mm-hmm. Where did you go?
I'm go to the.
I went to the... Where?
Went to the.
Where?
Cop mat. Cop mat.
Mm-hmm. What is it?
Supermarket.
Oh, my family and I went to the supermarket. What is the feeling, Kay? What is the feeling?
They are fun.
Okay, it's fun. Very good. Now let's have the next. Where were you? Who were you with on Saturday afternoon? Yes, your answer, K, is with family. Okay, afternoon. Next, what time did you wake up on Sunday, K? What time did you wake up on Sunday? Morning, afternoon?
Đây.
I wake up. Okay, I wake up.
Dạ được rồi. Teacher, may I go out,
Okay.
please?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
I wake up. What time did you wake up, Kay, on Sunday?
9 a.m.
Okay, I wake up 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yes. I wake at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m.
Yes, very good. Next, Lisa, what time did you wake up on Sunday?
I wake up on Sunday. Up Sunday. I don't know. I don't wake up Sunday.
You don't remember?
Yes.
Just last Sunday. Is that morning, afternoon you wake up?
Morning.
Okay, you're not sure.
Night.
Okay, I wake up in the morning on Sunday. Okay, next. Princess, what time did you wake up on Sunday?
Busy.
Mm-hmm.
Busy.
What time? 7?
No, that's fish.
What is 10? What is that? 10 a.m.? What time did you wake up? What time you wake up on Sunday, Princess?
Plus one fair. Okay.
Yes, Franfair. What time? Time. Morning, afternoon? Mm-hmm. What time did you wake up? I wake up.
I wake up the fun fair.
Oh, you wake up in the fun fair. Yes, that is a place. Correct. What time? 8 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning,
Afternoon.
afternoon. Okay, very good. Now, Lucy, your turn. What time did you wake up on Sunday?
Can I go to the
What's that, Kay?
It's boring.
Oh, it's a chicken? Wow. Hello, Grandma. Good evening. Wow, it's a fried chicken. I love fried chicken. Wow. That's yummy, Kay. You have a lot of foods. You have a lot of food.
Go. Can I go drink?
Okay, go. Okay, Lucy, your turn. What time did you wake up on Sunday?
Is
What
what time did you wake up on Saturday?
Mm-hmm.
Is or great?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What time?
I
10 o'clock a.m.? 11?
different. I time a different.
Mm-hmm. Time. We're talking about time.
It's the quick.
8 o'clock in the morning?
In the morning.
Okay, you wake up in the morning. Okay, next.
Yeah.
What did you do that was fun last weekend? Okay, what did you do that was fun last weekend? Princess.
Yes.
What did you do that was fun last weekend?
Con cây quá.
ăn gì đồ cay?
What did you do, Princess?
Nhỏ bài. Ăn nhỏ nha. Thật ra chị mới bẻ hai. The is welcome is the prize.
Okay, you ride a bike.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Oh my God, Liam. What happened? Okay. Last weekend, you ride a bike, Princess?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, next, Lisa. What did you do?
It's the stop in the memory was
Yes, bonding with family. Wow. Very good. Okay, how about Lisa? What did you do? That was fun last weekend?
Hadassah.
Mm-hmm. What did you do?
Go to into the
Playground.
my best friend.
Wow, you play with your best friend. Very good. Lucy.
I go to the house, my best friend.
Okay, I visit my best friend's house. Mm-hmm. Next, Lucy.
Yes.
Okay, what did you do that was fun last weekend?
What did you do was fun last weekend?
Mm-hmm.
It's our play with our friend.
Yes, play bonding. Oh, mas slide ka, Liam. Punasan mo yan. Okay, go.
It says,
Hello. Come here, come here. My son is sleepy.
oh, so
Baby.
cute.
Mm.
Hmm.
Okay, you played last weekend with your friends. Wow. Okay, very good. Kay, your turn. What did you do that was fun last weekend? What did you do, Kay? Stop doing that. Liam, no. Shh. Kay, your turn.
What did you do at the fun last week?
Yes.
I'm playing it in
Playing
the
online games or playing with friends?
yes,
Wow.
playing with friends.
Very good. You play online games with your friends. Wow. Okay. Next. What was the weather like on Sunday? Okay, Lisa. What was the weather? What was the weather like on Sunday?
Jacket
What was the weather?
jacket escape and hat.
Yes.
I go to Disney.
Weather is sunny, stormy, rainy, windy. What was the weather?
Sunny, I weather.
Okay. The weather on Sunday is sunny. Okay, Princess, what was the weather like on Sunday?
I was in the supermarket.
What's the weather? Is it sunny, rainy? Sunny.
It's sunny.
Okay, sunny. Okay, Lucy, what was the weather like on Sunday?
It's spring.
Windy. Okay.
Spring.
Oh, spring. That is a season. That is not a weather. Okay, spring, winter, fall, and summer is a season. But the weather is sunny, windy, rainy, snowy is weather. Okay, what is the weather on Sunday?
Weather.
Mm-hmm.
It's short and short.
What is that? Stop.
Con ăn sầu riêng được. Thì con ăn sầu riêng đi.
Okay, what's the weather? It's sunny. Okay, next, Kay. What was the weather like on Sunday? What do you know? What do you observe about the weather like on Sunday? Did you go outside like last Sunday?
Sunny.
Yes, it's sunny. Good job, class. Now, tell me more about your last weekend, Princess.
Yes.
Tell me more about your last weekend. Tell me more about last weekend. Okay, last weekend I have fun playing with my sister. I have fun play with my brother.
The supermarket.
Wow. Okay, very good. Next, Lisa, your turn. Liam, no. Your turn. Mm-hmm. Yeah. What did you do? Tell me more about last weekend. Last weekend. Mm-hmm. Okay, last weekend, is it cool, fantastic, exciting, great?
Hả?
What is it, Lisa?
Fantastic, cool, with different kind.
Mm-hmm. So what, tell me more about last weekend. Okay, last weekend I have fun. Yes, because me and my parents visited.
I sad.
Oh, you're sad. You're sad last weekend?
I go to the school.
Oh, you go to the school. Okay, very good,
Tomorrow
Lisa.
I go to the school.
Okay, now friend Lucy, your turn. Tell me more about last weekend.
And tomorrow is Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes.
we go to the school.
Why you're sad going to school? You must be happy.
No,
Liam,
I'm
no.
not happy.
Okay, last weekend. We're talking about last weekend, not
I'm
tomorrow.
happy.
Okay, last weekend. Is it fun, exciting? Lucy?
Yeah.
Okay, what is about your last weekend?
Last weekend
Mm-hmm.
is Sunday.
Rồi,
Yes, what did you do?
Không?
Tell me more about.
Is Sunday. I'm not lesson.
Saturday and Sunday. Yes, it's correct.
It's
Saturday.
Sunday. I am not a lesson. And
Yes.
on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm go to lesson dancing. And Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I'm lesson English.
Oh, okay, very good. Okay, now, Kay, your turn. Tell me more about last weekend.
Okay.
Okay. Liam, no.
I don't know.
What did you do last weekend? You don't remember?
Yes, yes.
Okay, you forgot. Okay, let's move on, class. Next, listen again and complete the sentences about Mr. Slide's day. Okay, Mr. Slide's day. I will play the audio, class. Number 1 is Lisa. Number 2 is Princess. Number 3 is Kay. Number 4 is Lucy. Okay?
How are you?
Again, number 1, Lisa. Number 2, Princess. Number 3 is Kay. Number 4 is Lucy. Okay, go.
33A. Last weekend, last week. Mr. Slide is talking to Alice. What did Mr. Slide take to the places?
Hello, Mr. Slide. Did you have a busy day?
Yes, I did, Alice. My Saturdays are always busy. I took lots of things to different places.
Where did you go this morning?
I went to the shoe shop.
Why?
I needed to take some boots back. I bought them last week, but they're too small.
Oh dear.
Thì sao vậy?
And then I went to the fun fair.
Did you take your tablet with you?
No, only some crayons. I wanted to draw and colour a picture.
Exciting. What did you do after lunch?
Let me think. Oh, yes. I went to the sports centre. The man who works behind the desk wants to buy one of my new paintings.
Wow, that's good.
Yes, I'm very happy about that. And I went to the cinema this afternoon.
To see the film that starts at 4 o'clock.
Yes, that's right. I took a milkshake with me because I get thirsty sometimes.
So do I. What about this evening?
I went to the new car park. It was really cold and I didn't take a sweater with me.
Oh. But why did you go there?
I wanted to try my son's new skateboard.
Brilliant.
Okay. Now let's answer, class. Number 1, who is number 1? Lisa, what's the answer?
Fun fair.
No. What did she took? A pair of? A pair of?
Shoe shop.
Okay, a pair of boots. Next, number 2. Number 2, Kay. Oh, princess, number 2.
Cinema.
The answer is?
Cinema.
Okay. Crayons. Crayons, class. Crayons. Next. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Please answer number 3. Okay. After lunch.
The lunch. He went to the picture. Picture.
Okay, went to the sports center. Okay, sports center. Okay, number 4, Lucy, please read aloud. Lucy.
Milkshake.
Okay, milkshake, correct. And number 5, skateboard at the car park. Okay, well done. Good job, class. Now let's have D. Read, choose the best answer. Please read the example, princess.
Yes.
What
do you want to? Oh.
Did you enjoy?
Did you enjoy the trip? This was fun. It was great.
Very good. Okay, please answer number 1. Okay. Number 1, please read aloud, Kay. Which was the best day? Which was the best day, Kay?
Here is the best one.
Okay, let's answer is the best one. Okay, the answer, K, is they were all good. They were all good. Next, number 2, please answer, Lucy, number 2.
Number 4.
Okay, number 2. How did you travel?
It's
Okay, please read first.
how did you travel? A, there were 9 people. B, it went by plane. C, it was very quick. C.
Okay, it was very quick. We went by plane. Okay, number 3, Princess.
Yes.
Num-
Okay. What are you a friend? No, it's
No, I wasn't. Okay, correct. Next, Lisa, number 4.
wait was the weather good. Good, well done.
Okay,
Yes.
the answer is?
Very day.
Okay, yes, every day. Okay, number 5. Who wants to answer number 5? Answer, did you take any photos? Okay, did you take any photos? Who wants to answer this one? Okay.
Teacher.
What's the answer of this one, Kay? Number 5. Did you take any photos?
Hả?
Yes. 45.
Okay, let's check. C, correct. Very good. Next, Princess.
Yes.
Number 6.
You must so magic. I'm right. I'm right.
All right. Good job, Princess. Well done. Now, let's have the puzzle word. Okay, the puzzle word is weekend. Now, look and find words with W. Okay, use your pen. Now, answer. You can answer as long as long as you can. Go. W.
Teacher, the weather.
W. W.
Walk. Snow.
Weather, is that correct? Snow. Watch. World. Take your time.
Cow.
Swimsuit.
Yellow.
This one, swimsuit.
What?
Wind. Wand. Wave.
What?
Kiwi.
Oh.
Anything else?
Yes.
Wind.
Yes.
Wave. Web.
Giờ con học làm bài của con xong đi bài của con giờ thì vừa
Walk.
Low.
Anything else?
Yes. No. Okay.
Okay, you're done. Okay, let's check.
What is?
Okay, rainbow. Hmm. Anything else? Whale. Okay. Clown. Sweater. Sweater.
Swimsuit.
Website.
Website.
Okay, rainbow.
Flower.
Bowl.
It's yellow.
Okay, down is. Okay, please read this part. Please read this part, Lisa. Across.
Rainbow, bow, whale, cloud, wood, ton, kiwi, cow, walk, show.
Okay. Next, Lucy, down.
Down, sweater.
Sweater.
Yellow, brown, sandwich, fly,
Wave, swimsuit. Very good. Okay.
Hey, good teacher.
Okay.
Play again.
Okay, let's have a game. Bring me. Okay? Bring me.
Chơi game thôi.
Because I'm now, I'm sick. I'm a
Cô
little
chó.
scared. I have a request for you.
Cho ta
Class.
một số.
We finish this early, okay? I'm not feeling well. When we were done. Oh, dance like this. Do you like this? Oh, no. I can't do this. I have a
I done. See you again. See you next time.
Okay, wait. I will share this one.
Thank you.
Okay.
See you next time. Oh yeah. I'm see game. It's classic.
Okay, who will be team 1? I will choose number.
I will be team 1.
Team 1 is Princess and Lucy.
Yay.
Team 2 is Kay and Lisa. Okay?
Yes. 2.
Okay, team 1, choose your number. Good luck.
2.
Number 2. Find something with buttons. Find something with buttons. Find something with buttons.
Test teacher.
Okay, buttons like this, like cell phone, like mouse. Yes.
Mouse.
Okay, bring me with buttons. Yes.
Yes.
What?
Mouse.
Okay, what is find something with buttons? You can press.
Yes.
Okay, find something with buttons. What is that?
The toilet.
Yes. Okay, correct. Click. Now, team 2. Team 2. Oh, K is team 2. Okay, 9. What number? Lisa and K?
No, I
9, number 9? Okay. Find something you can play with.
Toys.
Yes, toy. Correct. Next. Team 1, number 4. Find something blue, like this. Blue.
Blue.
Okay. Find something blue. Mabio, kiss mommy. Okay, what is it? Police. Okay. Your turn, Kay, Lisa.
3.
11. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, next. Number 1. Find some technology.
It's
Mhm.
it's computer.
Yes. It's a future. Okay. Next.
Five.
Number 5. Find something fluffy. Find something fluffy. Capybara?
No.
Find something sheep. Yes. Okay, and avocado stuffed toy. Yes, correct. Next, team 1.
It's 10. 10.
Okay, 10. Okay, number 10. Find something green. What's something green?
Frog.
Okay, it's a frog. Okay, next. Okay, Lisa.
13.
Number
13.
13. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, it's lucky today. Okay, next.
15.
15. Okay.
Not 15. It's 15.
16. Okay, 15.
16.
16, sorry. Oh, find something you can eat.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Yes, correct. Very good. Hot dog. Next, team 2. Number?
15.
15.
The sun.
Sun. Yes, the sun. Next.
Yes. 3.
3. Okay, 3. Squishy. Something squishy, like this squishy. Squishy. Oh, no.
Cheetah.
Oh, I'm not squishy. Find something squishy. What is squishy?
Squishy white. Squishy good. Jelly.
Jelly. Okay, are you team 1, Lisa?
Yes. Jelly.
Are you team 1? Team 1. Team 1. Squishy.
White.
Okay, yes, marshmallow. Okay, next. Lisa and Kay. Number? Lisa and Kay, number?
Casey. I don't see.
What number, Kay? 7? No.
1.
Number?
7.
7. Find something tiny. Tiny.
The puppy.
Okay, puppy. Yes. Next, last
12.
4.
12.
12. Okay, 12. Find something brown.
Is a bear.
It's a teddy bear. Yes. Next, team 2. 6. Find something round. Round.
Oh.
A ball. A ball. Next, last 2. Last 2.
14.
Number 8.
14.
14. Okay. Find your favorite book. Find your favorite book.
Yeah.
About?
It's a book.
Yes, a book. Next, last is team 2. Oh my God.
Oh.
No, what happened? Okay, who's the winner? Team 1. Okay, let's have a selfie class.
Okay.
That I am present. Okay, picture. Okay, that's okay. Now let's have a reward. A reward. Reward. What happened? Okay, let's have a reward. Where is it?
Trò chơi toàn trong
Wait.
thua hoài à. Goodbye, cheater.
Wait. No goodbye. Wait. Let's have a reward. Class dojo. Class dojo. I am happy that I have successfully finished our lesson, even though okay, there is the class dojo class. Okay, can you see this one? Okay, a reward. Thank you for being on time, especially Kay and Lucy. Very good. And doing homework, very good. I will check it later. Helping each other. I know you're helping each other on task. Very good. Participating in our every lesson. And persistence. Remember last lesson?
Yeah.
Teamwork, yes. And working hard. Okay, our top one is Kay. Kay, top one. Yes, Kay. You can have this, Kay. Yes, a teddy bear.
I top one?
Yes, you don't like?
Why top one? Why
Yes.
top one?
Because you answer it correctly and perfectly. Yes, okay. Very good. And next, our top two. Top two is princess. Top two. A snake, a cute baby snake. Princess. Oh, the snake don't have teeth. The snake don't have teeth. It doesn't bite. Okay. Yeah, so cute. It's a lovely snake. Okay, next. Our top three is Lucy. Yes, top three. Yes. A baby angel. Yes, a baby angel. Yes. Good job, Lucy. And our top four is Lisa. Yes. Is scared of snakes. Yes, Lisa. Pig. Yes, a piggy. A piggy. Good job, Lisa. Oh, this is for you, princess. Okay, class. That's all for tonight. I'm so proud of you and good night. Thank you, class. Bye-bye. Have a good night, class. Good night, Lisa. Good night, Kay. Good night, Princess. Good night, Lucy.